Are you a business coach, a service provider who's looking to streamline their booking client experience through their website? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, I will walk you through simple yet effective website design for service-based businesses, where clients can easily book an appointment with you without you needing to do any extra actions on your end. You have to set it up once and basically forget it. You will learn how to integrate a booking calendar, set up different appointment types, and even charge your clients before they book a call with you. Sign any waiver you need to provide your service. It's all streamlined and automated within your website. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's start by building a clear, informative sales page for your consultation. This page is going to be your silent salesperson. So what should this page include?
Include all the details as clear as possible with most common questions and step-by-step information so the page does the selling for you. You want to look at this page not like a typical service page, but as a sales page. It sells your service as people scroll through and discover more about your service. First, we need a clear headline that outlines what is the offer, who is this offer for. The next include an overview of the service. Briefly describe what is your consultation or service includes. Focus on the specific areas you cover and the problem you will help solve. It would be helpful to jottle down all the most common questions, sticking points that you know your clients face, and you include that on your page. Next, benefit sections. Highlight the key benefits clients will gain from the consultation. Use the bulleted points and highlight it. Provide a short breakdown of the consultation process so the clients know what will happen during the session and what to expect after the session is done. Also include testimonials or success stories, including quotes or brief case studies from the past clients to show your expertise. Next thing that I think non-negotiable is including the pricing, especially if you're trying to book them right away on your website. You want to include the pricing details and packages. This would provide a transparent view of your pricing structure. Also, it's important to outline the difference between them and why should they go with a more expensive one opposed to the cheaper options. What is this extra benefit you're providing in this other package? Also include a section address common questions about the consultation, how long it is, do you provide follow-ups, what do they need to prepare, etc. Take a look at your most recent communication with past clients. What are the questions they keep repeating and asking you, and make sure to answer them beforehand. We want to answer all the possible questions that your potential clients might have without contacting you, to have a smooth booking experience for them and for you. Also include a little about you section on the same page. Even if you have a website that already has about you page, we want to minimize back and forth clicking and exploring pages because we want this page to be as precise, as clear, with all the information that the client might have before booking with you. They do not have to wander around to other pages to get that information. You don't have to include large bio that you probably have on your about page, but you want to include a small section with a blurb about yourself to establish trust, focusing on your expertise, credentials, and any unique approaches or strategies you bring to help your clients.
Now that we have your sales page set up and ready, let's talk about booking. I'm sure you have a better use of your time than going back and forth with your client trying to accommodate the time that would suit both of you. This is where the automated booking software comes in. This software would let you set up your availability, let clients pick the time that works best for them, and even let them pay before they book with you. So here's how it works. First, set up your availability. In Acuity, you can block out specific days and times when you're available for consultation. Maybe you only want to take calls on Thursdays and Fridays between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Whatever your schedule looks like, you can set that in Acuity, and clients can only book within those windows. Next, let's customize your booking form. Acuity allows you to create a customizable intake form which clients fill out when they book. This is a great way to get specific information from them upfront. Things like what they want to discuss, any specific requests, or their goals for the session. This information helps you come prepared and keep the session focused. Next, automated reminders. You can set it up so clients receive an email or text reminder before the session, reducing no-show and making sure they remember their booking. This cuts down on last-minute rescheduling and keeps things running smoothly. And last but not least is accepting payments. If you want clients to pay upfront, Acuity lets you set up payments. Clients can pay by card or PayPal, and this way you don't have to worry about collecting payments separately. I have a detailed video about Acuity. If you would like to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. Once you set up the Acuity, it means that now your clients can start booking with you without you lifting a finger to accommodate the technical part of booking process. Now let's bring the two parts of the equation, the sales page that we have created and the booking calendar we just set it up in Acuity. Let's bring them together to work smoothly and serve your business.
Last step, and we want to grab the link of the appointment we just created, navigate to appointment types, and here this was the appointment we created. Next to it, you're going to find a direct scheduling link. So just click a drop down and you can copy this link. You can also customize it to make it more user-friendly, easier to remember. By just grabbing this link, you already can start providing this link to your clients. From here, they can select the timing, fill out the information, phone, email, and complete appointment. We actually going to integrate this link into our sales page. So let's navigate back to the website, click edit. This is our sales page. And so this is going to be our button. Click attach a link and paste the link we just created into this URL window. You can include this link in every button on your sales page to make sure that it's easier user experience. And just make sure to click save.
This is the final step that would make the process of booking with you seamless for your clients and for you. And your booking website is ready now. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for more help with your website design, we are offering a range of different services from DIY website templates to custom website design that can help you setting up your business for success. Check it out, more information in the links below. Thank you.